Welcome to Daily CoinCu Crypto News. Here are today's headlines. Ankr releases a flexible staking support development kit. Hashed has confirmed losing more than $3 billion in Luna collapse. Hack on GitHub also affects some crypto projects. Bitstamp Exchange will delist 14 cryptocurrency trading pairs. Altcoin now accepted by Gucci's. Now let's dive to the details. Ankr releases a flexible staking support development kit. Initially, the SDK will be made available on the Ethereum, Polygon, BNB Chain, Avalanche, and Phantom networks. Once integrated, developers can offer users staking and earn rewards in exchange for liquid staking tokens. By issuing fresh tokens with a value equal to the locked tokens, liquid staking, also known as flexible staking, enables users to practically profit from their locked tokens. Furthermore, liquid staking enables users to assign their tokens to validators who will stake assets on their behalf without affecting their ability to access money. Hashed has confirmed losing more than $3 billion in Luna collapse. Simon Seo-Joon Kim, the CEO of Hashed, stated that in the early stages of the project, Hashed purchased 30 million Luna tokens in an interview with Bloomberg on August 3, 2022. When the price of Luna reached its pinnacle in early April of this year, that token had a value of $3.6 billion. The magnitude of the damage caused by the Luna UST disaster has just been formally confirmed by Hashed for the first time. After examining on-chain data in May, on-chain data estimates that Hashed had invested close to 50 million Luna tokens, incurring a loss of more than $3.5 billion. Hack on GitHub also affects some crypto projects. A large-scale malware attack on GitHub with 35,000 code hits has been ongoing at the same time that thousands of Solana wallets were accessed by hackers yesterday morning. The attack has so far impacted a wide range of platforms, including cryptocurrency initiatives. The flaw affects doc settings, npm scripts, and Docker images, which are helpful for pre-packaging common shell commands for projects. These cloned repositories are frequently distributed via pull requests. This stipulation enables developers to alert others of updates they have submitted to a branch in a GitHub project. Bitstamp Exchange will delist 14 cryptocurrency trading pairs. Starting August 11th, users of the exchange will not be able to trade XRP against Paxos Standard, PayX, a popular stablecoin that runs on the Ethereum network. In total, Bitstamp will stop supporting 14 crypto pairs. Users will no longer be able to trade Bitcoin Cash, BCH, against the British pound. The Link/ETH pair is also on the delisted list. The exchange claims they regularly review their trading pairs based on their performance. Recent market movements also influence the decision to delist. Users can still view their trading history for the delisted trading pairs. Altcoin now accepted by Gucci. Italian luxury fashion house Gucci announced that it now accepts Altcoin, AP, in a tweet Tuesday. The coin will be available for purchase in select stores in the United States. The Florence-based fashion giant started accepting cryptocurrencies in early May to attract more crypto-friendly customers after the 2021 bull market. In addition to Bitcoin and Ethereum, Gucci also started accepting payments in smaller cryptocurrencies, including Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Gucci customers can pay with the help of a QR code sent to them via email. Last month, one of the biggest names in the fashion world also invested $25,000 in the decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, of the NFT marketplace SuperRare. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the CoinCu channel to stay up to date on the latest news.